Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Christy Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Jeannie Badgett. She's a Senior Extension Associate for Clothing, Textiles, and Household Equipment. Good morning, Jeannie.
Good morning, Christy. Thank you for having me.
Thanks for coming on the show. Always a pleasure. Now, Jeannie, today you are going to talk to us about a new product I have heard about concerning laundry. Now, when it comes to laundry, there are so many products on the market. Can you talk to us about laundry detergent sheets? What are they and how do they work?
I can. Yes. And this is an important topic because I have been getting questions about this. What are these laundry detergent sheets and how do they work exactly? And essentially what they are kind of like the dryer sheets you would put in the dryer to control static, except these are dissolvable. You put them in the washer with your clothing and they dissolve in water and they essentially turn into soap or detergent that will clean your clothing. They are, like I said, they are dissolvable. They're kind of like some of them might be like a mesh material that dissolves, or it might be almost like a thin layer of soap that will dissolve when it goes into your washer. I have heard some people are concerned because they think they're made of a plastic material that will end up in the wash water, but that's a misconception, and they truly do dissolve and turn into a detergent that will wash your clothing.
So these laundry detergent sheets are definitely a new product that many of us have never used before. Jeannie, how many of the laundry sheets do we need in each load?
Great question, because we definitely want to pay attention to the dosing of the detergent. That is a big issue when it comes to washing clothes. How much detergent do we need? So with the laundry sheets, how many sheets do we put into our washer per load? The sheets do come with instructions. They might say use 1 sheet per load, or sometimes 2 sheets or a half sheet, but it definitely is important to pay attention to the instructions on the box. And also note that just because your washer, the detergent, if these detergent sheets don't show suds after they dissolve, it doesn't mean they're not working, because just sometimes you don't have to have suds for a detergent to work. That is something I've heard about these laundry detergent
Mm.
sheets, that they don't always suds, but that's the main thing. And then really just to bring home one of the main points I like to talk about when it comes to doing laundry for best results. Follow those care labels on your items when you put them in the washer, and sort your laundry according to color, soil level, and fabric weight or type, and you'll get best results that way.
The question that many people are going to ask is, do they do a job as well as liquid or powder detergent?
Another great question. And in extension, as we like to give research-based information, we can't necessarily promote one product over another, but based on the research I've done, these detergent sheets do a decent job at cleaning clothing. But in some tests, they don't get things as clean, certain heavily soiled items as clean as a traditional laundry detergent, liquid detergent, or powder. But consumers, for the most part, are fairly pleased. However, just note that for heavily soiled loads, you may need extra detergent sheets, or a different product. But really, it comes down to personal preference on how clean you want your laundry to be. But that's the general gist is, do these work? For the most part, yes. But everything has its pros and cons.
So there are definitely many things to consider when it comes to these laundry detergent sheets. Jeannie, in your opinion, are these worth the price or worth trying?
Mhm. They are a little bit more expensive per load, and I think that's just a function of the supply and demand of this product. And also, they come in biodegradable packaging, some of them. So it depends on what your needs are. But again, if you're interested in trying something that might be easier to measure than a liquid or powder, certainly give it a try. But really, it comes down to personal preference.
Jeannie, great information on these new laundry detergent sheets. Thank you so much for being with us today. As always, for more information, be sure to contact your local extension office. Thanks for joining us today on the Farm and Home Show, and we'll see you next time.